Tens of thousands of children throughout our Second Harvest service area are food insecure, and that presents some health challenges for them, where they tend to be at higher risk for depression, diabetes, or other chronic conditions.
We know that students struggle to learn to be successful in the classroom and outside if they're not having their basic needs met. Having that lack of food directly impacts how they present themselves in the classroom.
There's a great need for food at Jefferson because we are 80% poverty school, so 80% of our kids are living in poverty and sometimes don't get food on the weekend.
With 1 in 3 children in our community being food insecure, Bechtel and our WTP project team members really felt that we had to contribute to the community by helping us resolve that problem. We did this by teaming with the Jefferson Elementary School and the Bites to Go program to be able to furnish meals for the weekend for those children so that they actually can have adequate nourishment over the weekend and be ready to come back to school.
Our Bite to Go program empowers local organizations to adopt a school where there are students facing hunger on the weekends. Volunteers from the organization will come out and pick up and deliver Bite to Go kits to the school, where teachers will then discreetly place those kits into the student backpacks. This ensures that students have shelf-stable, nutritious items for meals and snacks over the weekend so they can come back to school on Monday mornings ready to learn.
We notice a relief in the families when we tell them that we can add them to Bite to Go, that it'll be something that will be consistent. The student knows and sees us as a security for them as well.
Our Bite to Go kits are designed to provide weekend nutrition for children of all ages. They contain meals and snacks that are easy open and don't require cooking or refrigeration. And they've even been tested and kit approved by a young panel of experts we consulted with.
Partnership with Jefferson Elementary, Second Harvest, and Bechtel is going wonderful. We feel really good about being able to contribute to the community and provide meals for children over the weekend and establish a great program here.
If they don't have food in their tummies, they can't learn. Basic needs need to be met first in order for a child to be successful in school.
Bechtel's support of Jefferson Elementary has been a fantastic help to the program. Food insecure kids are being fed, and teachers are seeing a direct and positive impact in the classroom. We hope that Bechtel's support will inspire additional organizations to partner with us so that we can make a real difference in the health and future of our community.